What's something people don't know about the ketogenic diet? Welcome to the world of the ketogenic diet. This is a lifestyle that has taken the health and wellness community by storm, and for good reason. This diet is very popular. People from all walks of life are embracing it for its numerous benefits. One of the main reasons people turn to the keto diet is because it helps people lose weight effectively. But weight loss isn't the only benefit. It can also give you more energy, making you feel more vibrant and active throughout the day. This guide will teach you everything you need to know about the keto diet, from the basics to advanced tips and tricks. The keto diet is designed to be easy to follow, with simple meal preparations and easy-to-find ingredients. The keto diet is a special way of eating that focuses on high-fat, low-carb foods. It's all about making smart food choices and understanding what you eat. You eat very few carbs, which means avoiding foods like bread, pasta and sugary snacks. Instead, you focus on eating a lot of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts and olive oil. This dietary shift changes how your body uses energy, transitioning from burning carbs to burning fats. Normally, your body uses carbs for energy, which are broken down into glucose. When you eat very few carbs, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it starts to burn fat for energy instead. This process of burning fat for energy is what makes the keto diet so effective for weight loss. Ketosis has many benefits beyond just shedding pounds. It can help you lose weight and fit into clothes you haven't worn in years. It can give you more energy, allowing you to enjoy your favorite activities with renewed vigor. Are you ready to start your keto journey? With the right knowledge and preparation, you can transform your health and lifestyle. Let's learn more and take the first step together. The keto diet is all about changing your fuel source. It's a unique approach to nutrition that focuses on drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This shift in your diet leads to a metabolic state known as ketosis. Imagine your body is like a car. Just as a car can run on different types of fuel, your body can also use different sources of energy. It can run on gas or electricity. Carbs are like gas, providing quick bursts of energy. Fat, on the other hand, is like electricity, offering a more sustained and efficient energy source. On a normal diet, your body uses carbs for energy. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is then used to fuel your daily activities. On the keto diet, you eat very few carbs. This reduction in carbohydrate intake forces your body to look for an alternative energy source. Your body needs to find a new fuel source. Without the usual supply of glucose, it begins to adapt and search for other ways to keep you energized. It starts to burn fat for energy. This process is known as fat adaptation, and it involves your body converting stored fat into fatty acids and ketones. This shift takes time. It usually takes a few days to a week for your body to fully transition into ketosis. When your body burns fat for energy, it produces ketones. Ketones are chemicals that serve as an alternative fuel source when glucose is in short supply. They are made in your liver. The liver converts fatty acids into ketones, which are then released into the bloodstream and used by your muscles and other tissues. Ketones become your body's new fuel source. This is called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. Ketosis is the key to the keto diet. It not only helps you lose weight, but also provides a steady supply of energy, reducing the peaks and valleys of blood sugar levels. It is how you lose weight and feel more energetic. Many people report improved mental clarity, increased physical endurance, and a general sense of well-being while in ketosis. Macronutrients are the building blocks of your diet. They provide energy and are essential for various bodily functions. There are three main macronutrients: carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Each plays a unique role in maintaining your health. On the keto diet, you adjust the amounts of each to achieve a specific balance that promotes ketosis. Carbohydrates are found in foods like bread, pasta, and sugar. They are the body's primary source of energy in a standard diet. On keto, you eat very few carbs, typically less than 50 grams per day, to shift your body's energy source. Protein is found in meat, fish, and eggs. It is crucial for muscle repair and growth as well as other bodily functions. You eat moderate amounts of protein on keto, ensuring you get enough to support your muscles without kicking you out of ketosis. Fat is found in oils, butter and avocados. It becomes the primary source of energy on a keto diet. You eat a lot of healthy fats on keto, which helps keep you full and provides the energy your body needs. This specific ratio of macronutrients forces your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Remember, it's not about eliminating carbs completely. Some carbs are necessary for fiber and other nutrients. It's about drastically reducing them to a level that allows your body to enter and maintain ketosis. This allows your body to switch to fat as its primary fuel source, which can lead to increased energy levels and weight loss. Here is a sample keto meal plan to get you started. Remember, this is just a guide. You can adjust it to your liking. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with cheese and spinach. Lunch: grilled salmon with avocado and mixed greens salad. Dinner: chicken breast with broccoli and a drizzle of olive oil. This meal plan is high in healthy fats and low in carbs. It will help your body reach ketosis. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also enjoy keto-friendly snacks. Nuts, seeds and cheese are great options. Always check food labels to make sure they fit within your carb limit. Section 5. Keto benefits, weight loss and beyond. The keto diet offers numerous health benefits. Weight loss is a major one. By reducing carbs, you lower insulin levels. This helps your body burn fat more effectively. Increased energy is another benefit. When your body runs on ketones, you experience sustained energy levels. You avoid the sugar highs and lows of a typical diet. Keto also improves mental clarity. Ketones provide a steady energy source for your brain. This can enhance focus and concentration. Moreover, the keto diet has shown promise in managing certain health conditions. It may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Section 6. Navigating the keto flu. Tips for success. When you first start the keto diet, you may experience the keto flu. This is a group of flu-like symptoms. They're temporary and usually mild. Common symptoms include headache, fatigue, and nausea. These symptoms occur as your body adjusts to burning fat for fuel. To minimize the keto flu, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that help your body function properly. You can also try adding more salt to your food. This helps replenish electrolytes lost through increased urination. Section 7. Potential drawbacks, what to watch out for. While the keto diet offers many benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks. One common concern is constipation. The keto diet is low in fiber, which can lead to constipation. To prevent this, make sure to eat plenty of low-carb vegetables. These vegetables are rich in fiber. Another potential drawback is nutrient deficiencies. By restricting certain food groups, you may miss out on essential nutrients. It's important to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before starting the keto diet. Section 8. Staying hydrated on keto. Water is key. Staying hydrated is crucial on the keto diet. When you reduce carbs, your body retains less water, which can lead to dehydration. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. You may need more depending on your activity level and climate. Signs of dehydration include thirst, headache, and fatigue. If you experience any of these symptoms, drink water immediately. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly to stay hydrated. Section 9. Electrolytes and keto maintaining balance. Electrolytes are essential minerals that regulate fluid balance in your body. On the keto diet, you lose electrolytes through increased urination. It's important to replenish these electrolytes to prevent imbalances. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are key electrolytes to focus on. You can get electrolytes from food sources. Avocado, spinach, and almonds are good sources of potassium. Table salt is a great source of sodium. Consider adding electrolyte supplements to your routine. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the right dosage for you. Section 10. Listening to your body keto adaptation. As you transition to the keto diet, it's crucial to listen to your body. Everyone responds differently to dietary changes. Pay attention to how you feel. If you experience any adverse effects, adjust your diet accordingly. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. The keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It may take some time to find what works best for you. Be patient and persistent. The benefits of the keto diet are worth the effort. Section 11. Conclusion: embracing the keto journey. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering the keto diet. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Start slowly and gradually incorporate the principles we've discussed. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods. Stay hydrated, replenish electrolytes, and listen to your body's signals. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve your health goals. Share your experiences with others and support each other on this transformative journey. The keto community is vast and welcoming. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.